Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your router or network app. Enter the router IP in a browser and log in with admin credentials. Once done, open the connected devices or client list so you can spot the device by MAC or IP. That avoids renaming the wrong gadget. Make sure your phone or laptop is on the same network to see it. If you use a mesh system or ISP hub, pick the primary unit. Otherwise, you might miss the device in a secondary node. Now you find the device entry and choose Edit or Rename. Different firmware labels this differently, so look for pencil icons or gear menus. Once selected, type a clear, unique name, for example Living Room TV or Alice Phone, so you can recognize it across apps and logs. Save changes, then refresh the client list. The new name should appear. If the router syncs with cloud management, allow a minute for the name to propagate to all management points. Finally, verify the name on the router and on your devices. Restart the renamed device if the label doesn't update immediately. Make sure DHCP lease hasn't cached the old name. Renewing the lease or rebooting the router helps. If you manage a mesh or ISP-provided unit, double-check secondary nodes and the cloud app. Sometimes names sync slowly. If the router firmware prevents local renames, contact your ISP or replace the unit with a consumer router.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.